Local news for Friday the 24th of April. With all people who had test positive for COVID-19 in Wairarapa now recovered, the Wairarapa District Health Board says that the situation can change at any time. Chief Executive Dale Olof says people are being tested for COVID-19 on a daily basis and new cases can emerge. We need people to get tested if they have the symptoms of COVID-19. They include a sore throat, cough or difficulty breathing and should call their GP or healthline for a referral for testing. The Tanui Anzac service has been held every year for over 100 years, and this year, with alert level 4 restrictions, it will see the service broadcast locally right here on Wairarapa TV, with a screening to take place at 10:30 tomorrow morning. And Master Mayor Lynn Patterson, speaking on behalf of the three Wairarapa mayors for the Emergency Operations Centre, says they're very proud of how the region has responded to the lockdown, and it's crucial people resist the urge to become complacent. She says, I know it's easy to get a sense that we're in the clear. However, new cases can emerge, and New Zealand and the Wairarapa so far has done an amazing job at uniting against COVID-19, but we need to keep that going. For local news and information, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.